Hey guys, we found this neat function for sharing audio so you can play along. Get your media player running in the background so you're not waiting for it to load is the first thing you need to do. I run mine in mini player. Then go to the share screen option. Down in the left hand corner you click to share audio only. Then what you're best off doing is going to advanced. Instead of sharing the audio screen, just select to share audio only. This prevents the students from seeing you flick through computer screens just in case there's anything open in the background. Then when you play, you get an option at the top saying that you're now sharing screen. Students will then be able to hear a direct output of your audio. If you need to adjust that up and down for them volume wise, adjust it in the audio player, not on the Zoom audio settings while you're going to adjust up your microphone sound. They don't hear any lag, so they can play along to that as like literally how you're hearing it. To stop doing that, you can either press pause or cancel the screen sharing and start again. Okay, second thing is Whiteboard, really handy. It's in the basic screen sharing. Just click on Whiteboard, share. You get to scribble on this then, as you would a normal whiteboard. There's some pen thickening up options and colours and things along the top. It's easier if you've got a tablet and pen. So I've got a graphics pen and tablet. This is just done off my mouse pad, so it's a little bit ropey. Lisa's got a touch screen computer, so we use a pointer pen thing, and you get a lot better results with that. It just may be a fun way to do a little bit of interactive challenges and things with the students. You can clear it all by just pressing delete at the top. If you want to stop sharing the screen, you literally just press the red sharing screen stop.